In this video,
we will explain how to replace the bearings in the roller.
All in one video. Watch carefully.
First, we replace the 3 diamond bearings in the drive part.
First, open the outer cover. And take it off so that we can replace the 10 diamond bearings and 12 diamond bearings. Then how to remove the popular diamond bearing on the inside. First, remove the motor, the housing of the motor and reducer. Next, loosen our coupling.
Loosen the 2 fastening screws of the diamond bearing.
Loosen them. Next, we take off the synchronous belt. In this way, we can replace this diamond bearing. To replace it. Next, we'll talk about the brush. How to replace the bearings on both sides. Is the same as replacing the brush. First, remove the 4 screws at the end. The square bearing is 15 millimeters. Can be directly replaced. Take off the brush of the roller. Take off our synchronous belt. We will use a circlip pliers next. Take out this snap ring. Take off the synchronous wheel. Then you can remove it smoothly. The last direction bearing. Okay. Our customer can replace the bearing according to the damage and this video to carry out their own disassembly and replacement.